Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and then launch Alteryx. First, confirm the Sharepoint site URL and library path. This prevents connection errors. Once done, check that your Alteryx designer supports the Sharepoint connector and install any required tool or SDK. Next, obtain credentials, your Microsoft user account or an app registration with client ID and secret, and grant read/write permissions to the target site. Make sure your account can access the exact library folder to avoid permission failures later. Now you configure the connector inside your workflow. Drag the Sharepoint input or output tool into the canvas and open its configuration. Choose OAuth 2 for simplicity and security, or select app credentials if using a service principal. Follow prompts to authenticate and grant access. Then populate the site URL, library, and folder fields and specify the exact file or wildcard pattern. Once fields are filled, use the tool's test or preview button to validate paths and listing results so you catch mismatched folder names early. Finish by executing the workflow and verifying the data transfer. You'll watch the results and messages panels for successful reads or writes and adjust read options like delimiters or sheet names. For large files, enable paging, chunking, or split uploads to avoid timeouts. If something goes wrong, first recheck credentials and the exact site URL and folder path, then confirm permission scopes on the Sharepoint site. If errors persist, test with a small file and review Alteryx log messages to pinpoint authentication versus path issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.